Okay.
Okay.
Hi everyone, this is Nana Yeboaa and this is Jake Bowen, right? Bowen.
That's right.
So Jake is having a show here at Harmony Square, which is 130.
150 chords.
150, don't listen to me, listen to me. 150 Colburn Street East here in Brantford. It is a beautiful art presentation and I would love him to talk to us about it. So if you chance to see this video on Facebook or YouTube or wherever that you are, today is May 27th and it's also running tomorrow.
12 to 8.
12 to 8. Okay, so there's this beautiful eye-popping painting here that he is going to give us a brief about, and then we take it from there.
Sure. So this one is Headshot 2. It's the second in the Headshot series here.
Also, this is Headshot 1.
Yeah, this one's number 1.
Number 1. Okay.
And really it's like many of my works, it's about a bit of an explosion of personality and emotions, and there's lots of hidden faces within.
I believe as human beings, as how do you call it, we all have things going on in our heads, and this is what comes out in yours, the different phases and the eyes popping out, and it's gritty. It's like letting loose, letting it go. And I'll say, just the previous painting that I saw with, when I commented on the mental health issues, it's like, let it out,
Yes.
let it go and, be free, don't cram everything in. So I'm going to ask you a little bit about your background. I know you're a Bradford native, and our beautiful mama is actually our camera person.
Yeah.
Our beautiful mama, you can hear the beautiful smile. She agreed to do our camera for us. How long have you been painting?
I started painting in 2018, so about 4 years now.
About 4 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
Before that, I studied photography, and I was mainly a photographer, but I branched out to painting kind of just as to try something new, and loved it, and it took, and that's what brought me here 4 years later.
Wow. So this is your first art exhibition?
Yes, it's my first one, fully put on by myself. Yeah.
And it's lovely.
Thank you.
And it's in a lovely space.
Yeah.
And it's in a lovely city called Brantford. So if you guys are in Toronto, Mississauga, Brampton, all the heavy places, you need a place to download, offload, you can drive into a beautiful city called Brantford, Harmony Square. You will find this art exhibition still going. We have real gems right here in our city, Brantford. So if you're watching, thank you. And thank you, Jake, for saying yes.
You're welcome. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Great. Did a great job.